Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download the Green Wallet application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store on your device. Now, click on the search bar and type the name of your application. And click on Search button. Scroll down until you find this icon. After that, click on Download button. You may need to verify using a Face ID, fingerprint or a password if it is your first time installing it. When the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. You can also find the Green Wallet application on your home screen here. Simply tap on it to use the application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.